agent.
Right, Solar, talking to Garry.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry, who do I have?
Garry, who's this?
I'm just ringing in regards to my solar panels. I thought I was ringing True Value Solar.
That's what you called, Garry from True Value Solar.
Oh, okay, yep. Look, I don't know. I had True Value put in some panels for me probably 3 years ago.
Okay, what?
I don't know where it came from. Upper Caboolture.
Upper Caboolture, right? No worries. So he probably was there about three years ago. So what seems to be the problem?
Well, look, we've got 24 panels, a 5 kilowatt, or 6 kilowatt, but running it at 5. The machine bit, what do you call that? The inverter.
What inverter is that one? That was it the Bosch one that we were running at the time?
Yeah, it's a Bosch inverter, and then the Genco panels, or Jinko.
The Jinko panels. Dear me, the bloody Jinko. You got that junk on here. Actually back home, back Ireland, we call them the junkos.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Well,
they're
this
bloody.
might be my problem. We are only drawing 8.7 kilowatts, and we've got 24 panels, and my neighbours across the road got some put on the other day, 11 panels, and there's 17 kilowatts.
That's what I mean. It's like, why did you buy them? You just bought cheap junk.
They told me they were the best.
We had a lot of scumbags working here, actually. A lot of backpackers like myself, half Scotland, half from Ireland. We just, we need to make commission. So it's like, just tell the customer anything. That was the kind of thing the boss said at the time.
Right.
So it's
are they running at a full capacity though at that?
No, well, I suppose it's just the Jungle panels. It's like, what do you expect? It's like.
Well, I expect more than 8 kilowatts a day.
Yeah, you'd hope for it. You got to have hope, like Anish says. Sometimes you got to have some hope. But what do you have any trees around actually?
We've got how many at the front here? 8, 9, 10 panels at the front. We've got a tree, but I wouldn't say it blocks it for very long in the morning, and then that's it. We cut the big tree down that they said to cut down out the backyard, so it wouldn't create any shade. And I'll
tell you what. The bosses here, they say if they got a tree, just blame it on the tree. So we're gonna have to just blame it on the tree, perhaps.
I'm not blaming it on my tree.
Yeah, but I have to.
No way. I'll take it further.
Well, what are you gonna do? Sue us? You know what I mean? It's like nothing you can really do. Did you ask the number for who installed your neighbor? Maybe you could buy a new one from them and they could fix it.
Oh, I don't think I should have to. Don't I have Don't I have a warranty on these things?
No, not really. You see.
I'll be looking into that. All right. Well, help. So thanks a lot.
Thanks for calling us anyway.
Bye.
Bye.